I'm Joe Guster, a product manager on the platform team that focuses on AWS integrations. Today, I want to introduce one of Amazon's newest services, Amazon DevOps Guru. In a world where you may already have alerts set up for drastic issues, wouldn't it be great to detect issues before they become major outages? Wouldn't it be great to proactively address issues before they become major problems? Finally, wouldn't it be great to receive recommendations on how to rectify these issues? If you answer yes to any of these questions, Amazon DevOps Guru is the service for you. As a DevOps engineer, DevOps Guru is both your warning light to take a look at a problem and in some instances, your guide to rectifying the problem. So how does DevOps Guru work? It applies machine learning to analyze your operational data and application metrics and events to identify behaviors that deviate from normal operating patterns. It's an observability service. DevOps Guru is continuously scanning your cloud services for anomalous application behavior in order to surface critical issues that could cause potential outages or service disruptions. When it detects risks such as increased latency, error rates, or resource constraints, it automatically creates an insight alert that provides a summary of related anomalies, the likely root cause, and context about when and where the issue occurred. When possible, DevOps Guru also provides recommendations on how to remediate the issue. Connecting DevOps Guru with PagerDuty allows those valuable insights and recommendations to now flow through a familiar lifecycle. Teams can leverage all of PagerDuty's capabilities to acknowledge and resolve these incidents that were triggered by DevOps Guru. The integration even allows DevOps Guru to automatically resolve PagerDuty incidents once the anomalous behavior returns to normal. Next, I'll show you how to connect PagerDuty with DevOps Guru. Like our other Amazon integrations, it uses Amazon SNS to send messages to PagerDuty. For an SNS setup, we simply need to grab either our HTTP endpoint for API from event rule sets to connect DevOps Guru at the global level, or our integration key to connect DevOps Guru at the service level. For event rule setup, you'll navigate to the main menu, hover on services, and then select event rules. From here, you can either create a new rule set or select a previously created rule set. Once on the rule set page, you will need to click to expand the incoming event source information to view the endpoint. To set up a service level integration with DevOps Guru, you need to navigate to the service directory and select the service you would like to integrate. Once on the services page, click the integrations tab and then select add a new integration to this service. Give the integration a friendly name and then search and select Amazon DevOps Guru as the integration type. Your integration key will then be found on the integrations page. Now the remaining steps are to set up the SNS topic on AWS. The URL from the previous step will be placed as the endpoint for the SNS topic. Be sure to select HTTPS as the protocol. Once the subscription is created, DevOps Guru messages will now flow into PagerDuty. In conclusion, Amazon DevOps Guru provides your DevOps team valuable insights on possible issues before they become major incidents. Connecting PagerDuty and DevOps Guru with our easy-to-configure integration allows your team to leverage PagerDuty's incident response lifecycle to allow the right people to be notified to acknowledge, troubleshoot, and resolve the issue.